Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Trading Bulls. Today's topic is introduction of Indian stock market. Indian share market for beginners. What is stock market? What is share market? Share market, it is a public market where stock, mutual funds, bonds, etc. are sold. Stock market, mutual funds market, etc. all comes under share market. Primarily, share market refers to stock market by buying a stock of a particular company. You got ownership of that companies to the extent of your investment. In other words, the company shared its ownership with you. Due to this reason, it is called a share market. What is securities? You might have heard about securities. It is a not security person who stands near gate. Investment options available in stock market such as stocks, mutual funds, bonds, debenture, etc. In combination termed as securities, all securities in India are controlled by Government of India by Security Exchange Board of India (SEBI). Other countries have different government boards to control buying and selling of different securities, have a different method. All are more or less same. We will discuss how to buy and sell while going in details. Invest in the stock market. Normally you have heard there is a bull market and there is a bear market. What is a bull market and what is a bear market? We have discussed later on. What is a BSE? BSE stock exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, established in 1875. This is the oldest stock exchange in our world, and second is our National Stock Exchange (NSE). So brief description. Today's topic is stock market basics. What is stocks? What is stock broker? Bull market, bear market, dividend, fundamental analysis, IPO, initial public offer, and technical analysis. In normally we have buy and sell the stocks. Eight must know tips. This is the tips. 8 tips for every stock market beginners. Number 1, start small. When you are entering into the stock market, you invest a very small amount. Second, diversify your portfolio. Always diversify your portfolio. Never depend on only one company or one shares. Portfolio should be diversified. Next, invest in blue chip stocks. Whenever you invest in the stock, don't invest your money in penny stocks. You invest always in blue chip stocks, blue chip companies. Never invest in free tips or advice. Avoid blindly following the crowds. Always avoid crowds. Next, invest in what you know and understand. Next, invest regularly and continuously or consistently, and have a patience, have a discipline, and follow your strategy or plan. Types of stock market. Number 1, in equity market. Number 2, derivative market. Number 3, debt market. And number 4, commodity market. Number 5, forex market. How to invest in stock market? Here are the 7 steps we have discussed how to invest in the stock market. Step number 1, define your investment goals. Step 2, create a strategy. Step 3, read some investing books. Step 4, choose your stock brokers. Step 5, start researching common stocks. Step 6, select platform to track performance. And last step number 7, have an exit plan. 3 ugly truth about stock market. over a 90% of people lose money in the stock market. This is an ugly as it sounds. Not everyone makes money in the stock market, not because market is biased, but because people are not ready to invest time and money in the learning. Fear and greed run the stock market. This factor plays a really crucial role in the market. FOMO and revenge feeling is what has run many houses and lives. No one can predict the market. If the top notch gurus, pandits, and mentors who says that they are predict the market, so why are you not the rich person in the world? Go sell your house and get the money and trade if you can predict. What is a technical analysis and what is a fundamental analysis? In short term, FA and TA. What is a FA? Fundamental analysis and technical analysis. There are two type of analysis in the stock market. One is just fundamental analysis and next is technical analysis. Fundamental analysis versus technical analysis of stock market. What is a fundamental analysis? In fundamental analysis, industrial analysis, economical condition analysis, future profit outlook analysis, companies analysis, and in technical analysis, chart analysis, moving average analysis, indicator and oscillator analysis. What is a fundamental analysis? In fundamental basics of fundamental analysis, we have analyzed debt analysis, brand value analysis, profit growth analysis. What is competition analysis, companies with promoter pledge share. No fundamental analysis. This is the parameter what cover under fundamental analysis. Number one, industries analysis. Next, company analysis, GDP in analysis. What is inflation, government policy analysis, economical policies analysis, RBI policy analysis, financial analysis, growth of industries analysis, and last is economic analysis. This is the key factor of analysis of fundamental. Fundamental analysis is really a logical and systematic approach to estimating the future dividends and share prices. It is based on the basic premises that share price is determined by the number of fundamental factors relating to the economy, industry, and company. It is a detailed analysis of the fundamental factors affecting the performance of the companies. Each shares is assumed to have economic worth based on the present and future earning capacity. This is called intrinsic value or a fundamental value. What is a technical analysis? Technical analysis, a method of evaluating security or stock by analyzing statistics generated by market activities such as past price and volumes. Technical analysis do not attempt to measure a security's intrinsic value, but instead use charts and other tools to identify patterns that can suggest future activity. Technical analysis versus fundamental analysis. The major difference between fundamental analysis and technical analysis is while fundamental analysis examine earning, dividend, new product research and the like, technical analysts examine what investors fear or think about those developments and whether or not investors have the option to back up their opinions. These two concepts are called psychology and supply demand. Analytics employ many techniques, one of which is used of chart. Using charts, technical analysis seeks to identify price patterns and market trends in financial market and attempt to exploit those patterns, price patterns and market trends. Technical analysis versus fundamental analysis. Here are some different. We have analyze what is the difference between technical analysis and what is the difference between fundamental analysis. Technical analysis versus fundamental analysis. What is the definition of technical analysis? calculate stock value using economic factor known as a fundamental analysis. What is definition of technical analysis? Uses price movement of securities to product. What data gathered from fundamental analysis? Where data gathered from fundamental analysis? Financial statements. And in technical analysis, data gathered from charts. Stock bought in fundamental analysis, stock bought when price falls below intrinsic value, and in technical analysis, stock bought when traders believes they can sell. In fundamental analysis, time horizon is long-term approach, and in technical analysis, time horizon is short-term approach. In fundamental analysis, function investing. In technical analysis, function is a trade. In fundamental analysis, concepts used return on equity ROE and return on assets ROA. In technical analysis, concepts used Dow theory and price data. In fundamental analysis, vision looks backward as well as forward. In technical analysis, vision looks backward. Difference between fundamental analysis and technical analysis. In fundamental analysis, this is the very time consuming analysis, and in technical analysis it is a quick studies. Next, in fundamental analysis, a study of cause, and in technical analysis, study of effect. In fundamental analysis, intrinsic value, study of charts. Includes economic, industries and company analysis. In technical analysis, price, volume and open interest analysis. And last, in fundamental analysis, applied for few markets under study, and in technical analysis can be applied to any market and instruments. Thank you very much for watching our YouTube channel. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks.